So I just did this video because, as you guys know, I just bought my daughter's teacher her teacher appreciation gift. And as I was buying her gift, I was like, oh no, I forgot her bus driver. I love my daughter's bus driver. And so I want to get something for her too. So in this video, I'm going to give you 10 affordable, ready to go Amazon Prime friendly gift ideas to get your child's bus driver. All right, so let's get into it. So you know with Stanley cups and Tumbler cups being a huge thing right now, I saw this cup and knew it had to be number one. It says, they see me rolling, they waiting. Gift idea number 2 is a simple kitchen mitt. It is cute, it is simple, and it's very, very affordable. Another gift idea is a simple bracelet. Because bus drivers aren't really expecting anything, it is always nice to just give them something to let them know that they are on your mind. And of course, this bracelet says, this bus driver rocks. Now, if you've seen my office, then you know I have a few plaques that sit behind me. I love a good plaque. And this simple plaque says, thank you for always going the extra mile. Get it? I love this plaque. The next gift idea is probably the cheapest one on this entire list, and that is just simply a keychain. If you don't have a lot of funds, but you do want to give something to just say thank you, then this is the gift for you. The keychain just simply explains what a school bus driver is, and it also says that they are indeed a superhuman. Now, the next few gift ideas are all driver appreciation kits. And the first kit includes a really cute box that has socks, it has a little cup, it has a keychain, and it has that exact same plaque that I just showed. The next driver appreciation kit has this little tote that says, be nice to the bus driver, it's a long walk home. It also has a little cup, again, some socks, and again, a keychain. Now, this kit isn't my favorite kit, but it does have a cup, a little makeup bag, and a keychain. Now, gift idea number 9 is by far my favorite bus appreciation kit. And with this kit, it has everything you need. So it has a little plaque, it has some socks, it has a cup, it has a kitten mitt, it even has like the little scooper thing for the kitchen. Y'all know I just said scooper thing. Yes, I did. And then a keychain and a thank you note. And then the last bus driver appreciation kit comes with a keychain, some socks, and another tote bag that says early rising, always smiling, safe driving, bus driver. And of course, make sure you check out the description so that you can get direct access to all of these things on Amazon. As you can tell, I'm definitely doing kit number 4, which is the teacher appreciation gift idea number 9. That's my favorite one, y'all. But I would love to know, what are you getting your child's bus driver? Let me know that down below in the chat box, and I cannot wait to see your other teacher appreciation gift ideas.